What's up, lemons? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got our new VR exhaust. We're about to install it in the vehicle, and awesome thing is that it fits inside the car, no problem, not even touching the seats, so we're not even messing the seats up. We're gonna pull this thing out right now, get the car on the lift, unbolt everything. It is still a little bit hot, but hopefully it cools down by the time it's in the air. Pull the exhaust off, put the new one on, give you guys some sound clips, what it sounds like stock, cold start, what it sounds like revving, everything like that. It did get a little bit of pops here and there. Obviously this exhaust is hopefully gonna open it up a little bit more so we can get better sound, better performance out of it. So let's get started. So we got all the hardware, you got the VR tips, everything's stainless steel. About to put it all together, throw it on the car, and hopefully we get some good sound that we've been waiting for. This is very anticlimactic. The pops are insane. That's literally just an exhaust on it, factory, no other intakes or anything like that.